You are looking for a plugin which offers free gifts when customers shop your online store. Jagif, WooCommerce Free Gift offers free product gifts to customers when they buy something from your website. With outstanding features, create free gift packs. Apply a free gift for each product. And give gifts under certain rules. Download and install the plugin from the zip file. To create gift packs, go to Products, Add New. On each gift page, you will name for the gift pack. Choose the gift pack type in the product data. Set the number of gift items in the gift pack. Or remove a gift item. The new created gifts are listed under the gift pack type. To assign the free gift for the products, go to the product editing page. In the product data, free gift, search for the available gift pack that you previously created. The customer can also change the variation of the gift he wants. To customize the gift icon and gift box, go to Jagif, General, go to Customize. You can design and style the gift icon and gift box as you want. To create rules to offer a gift pack, go to Jagif, Add New. Name for the rule, for example, Christmas Day. Search for the gift pack that you previously created. Create conditions in the rule for receiving the gift. For example, if the customer purchases a product and cart total over $150, add a description for this gift, which appears in the cart, to suggest to the customer about the gift if qualified. You can create multiple rules, arrange the priority for the rules and rule overriding.
Thank you for watching our video. Let's subscribe our channel to update new useful videos.